All right, y'all. So the goal is to use these packing cubes to pack all my stuff for 4 days, 3 nights into this little carry-on and that little carry-on bag. So let's see if we can do it. So what I'm about to do now is, because child, look at my head, hot mess. What I'm about to do now is take me a shower, because we just came back from doing lawn care. Take me a shower, wash my hair so I don't look like none of this when we get ready to leave. And then we're gonna get into packing. Let's go. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I wash my hair, deep condition my hair, leave-in conditioner in, and I'll do it in the morning. So what I'm about to do now is lay out all the clothes that I want to take on the trip, and we're gonna try and pack.
Things aren't always what they seem, so don't believe everything you read. You and I won't happen again, and I will never let this go. I know that I will get by. Or did you think I would cry? Or did you think I would fight? Baby, you crossed the line, and there's no way to make it right. Sure, I can get hurt, but I won't let you this time, 'cause I know I will get by. Climb down from your pedestal. This is what you get when you think you know it all, but you don't. And you're dead wrong, 'cause I won't crash and fall already over you, over you, over you. I am over you, over you, over you. I don't want you to think that I want you to change. You can make this right now when all is ruined again. How many times did you think that I was gonna let this slide? Now I know I can, and I will get by. Or did you think I would cry? Or did you think I would fight? Baby, you crossed the line. There's no way to make it right. Sure, I can get hurt, but I won't let you this time, 'cause I know I will get by. Yeah. Knock down from your pedestal. This is what you get when you think you know it all, but you don't. And you're dead wrong, 'cause I won't crash and fall already over you, over you, over you. I am over you, over you, over you. Down from your pedestal. Yeah, over you, over you, over you. I am over you, over you, over you. Over you, wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me. Oh, now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake now, you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. Honest you do, honest you do, honest you do. Whoa. Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. Honest you do, honest you do, honest you do.
Y'all, I was so happy when I was able to get all that stuff in that carry-on. It was just like, yes, girl, you did it. So that's the proves to let y'all know y'all can do it too, okay? If y'all got a trip that's coming up and you don't want to take a check bag, you can get a carry-on bag. You got to get those packing cubes though. That's the trick to it. Get those packing cubes. Now, let me also let y'all know that we went on this trip, ain't wear half them clothes, okay? I overpacked. So I have another trip coming up next month, and I did things a little differently. So I'm gonna come back and show y'all how I packed strategically for that trip after I go on the trip and see if I wear all the clothes on that trip. So we're gonna see how that one works out, okay? So in this tote will be my pajamas, my slippers, things that'll go in my cosmetic bag, my lotions, perfumes, body wash, and jewelry. I can't remember if I put my jewelry in this bag or the other one, but those are the other things that will go in this tote. And that's basically it. I'm packed and I'm ready. Now the next clip you're gonna see, I'm gonna show you all the items that my husband brought on his trip. which ended up being too much. He wasn't gonna put all his stuff in the carry-on. He had to put his stuff in the larger suitcase bag. So he got everything in his large check bag, and child could not fit his cosmetic bag in there. Hot as fire. Do you hear me? Because where did the cosmetic bag have to go? In my bag. And then you're gonna see at the end of this clip, I had to take all that stuff out there carry-on. So even though I was able to get all my stuff in the carry-on, I had to end up taking a larger suitcase anyway to accommodate for his extra items also. But I did want to just again show y'all that it can be done. Okay, here we go. Yeah, lugging both of the suitcases down, child. I was too through with him, and you can tell. All right, y'all. So I just want to thank y'all again for stopping by, checking out the video. Again, I hope it gave y'all some inspiration, some motivation for your next trip that you want to pack on. That you probably don't want to pay for a check bag. That it can be done with the carry-on. Again, make sure you get them packing cubes, y'all. And let me know in the comments if you want the link to anything that you saw in the video. And I'll talk to y'all in the next one. Be blessed.